wave there is a in EM wave there is a material medium. What is then matter wave? Matter wave is related to object which is in motion, that is the matter wave. Now we are saying that the common properties of wave. This property is related to mechanical wave, but different waves also, matter wave, EM wave and mechanical wave, but this mainly refer to the mechanical wave. So first is the amplitude. So amplitude is means what? Amplitude is the largest displacement. Everyone know displacement? What is displacement? So first we recall that what is the displacement. Suppose this is our and this is our school. A is for home and B is for school. We came to school every day. Suppose the way is like that. This is our actual path from we came to our school. This is the actual path. But sometimes we get late to come to school, so we came from the some short way. So this is the shortcut. We use that if we are late to come to school. So we use the shortcut. So that is the displacement. Distance is the actual path, and the displacement is the shortcut. We also say the displacement as a minimum distance. Distance is the minimum distance, and distance is the actual path. So amplitude. Suppose this is the wave. This type of wave is called as the sinusoidal wave or the sinusoidal wave. This type of wave is known as the sinusoidal wave or sinusoidal wave. This is the wave. This is the origin. From here the wave is start up. So what is meant by the amplitude? Amplitude is the largest displacement of a particle, of a medium. Wave is travel through a medium, and medium have a particles. So the maximum displacement of that particle from its mean position. Suppose this is the particle. It moved from this origin. So the largest displacement of this particle is this. If here is the particle, so largest displacement of this particle is this. So the largest displacement of a particle from its mean position is called as amplitude. Get it? From which sign we denote it? Wavelength, that is the lambda. Symbol of that is the inverted Y. Lambda, wavelength is the distance between two particles which is in the same way or the same oscillation, same state of oscillation. Then our next is period. Period or the time period. Everyone know the time. What is time? Everyone know that. So period means what? The time taken to complete the one vibration. Complete the one vibration. Here this is the A particle which complete the one vibration there. So the time required to complete that one vibration is known as the period. The time required or the time taken to complete the one vibration, that is known as the period. It is denoted by T and it is measured in the seconds.